Okay, we're gonna be reacting to. Let me move this mic a bit further. There you go. I don't know if you can still hear me, but today we're gonna be reacting to. Actually, we're just gonna be watching something more wholesome, because you know what? I've had a very heavy time with the YouTube comeback being set up. I mean, YouTube comeback, my channel being set up again, and just figuring things out after so many years. It's been taking a toll. I'm like, you know what? For my second video, I want something nice and wholesome. And you know what else? We're gonna relax together. We're gonna enjoy, like, just enjoy escaping from the evils that human beings do. And there you go. Sorry, I had a couple seconds to watch to test my equipment and stuff, and I'm not gonna lie, it took me off guard, and you'll realize why. Watch this.
Bros comes in pair. And also the tunnels are the worst
I'm
place your car
sorry,
can break down.
it's the accent. I didn't expect him to be some Indian guy, bro. Like, come on. Kind of ruins the wholesome moment. Low key, a little bit. I can't lie, because it just makes it funny for me. What is actually going on in the video, man? Wait, where's? I feel like this is not gonna be. This is not gonna end up being wholesome for me. I'm sorry, guys. Yeah, don't hate me, okay? I'm sorry. It's just the way I'm built. I just laugh at the stupidest things. All right, let's do this. I'll shut up now.
When the
At that point,
last two
I'm
girls
sorry.
game
At that point, just put the car, like, just drive it into the grass or something. Just wait for, like, I don't know, AA to come pick it up or whatever it's called. Like, why the like, bro? That thing's powered by two motorbike engines at this point. Like, it should be considered like a twin motorbike engine vehicle, whatever they fucking register it as. I don't know.
each other the flowers. That was the best moment of the clip.
What does it say? A flower for anyone who needs to smile today. Oh, smile. Smile today, bro. That's crazy. And the Indian guy just does not help the situation, bro. We've already got so much stereotypes going on. So me saying smell is not really helping the situation either.
This dog's name is Nisha. She went missing for 2 weeks in Wicklong Mountains. She was found by two doctors out hiking.
Why is the dog in the mountain? Who the fuck put a dog in the mountain, bro? This shit pisses me off now. Now I'm pissed off. Doggo, man. Dogs don't deserve humans. Shared one last two. Oh, okay, no. Yeah, it was an accident. Got you.
It's funny, but hopefully the jacket falls off the deer's head.
We're a diamond and an emerald. It took me forever to find you. 'Cause when it's all over, the love that you give will be there to guide you in every way. Now we've been through the cold and darkest days. The summer's calling.
I'll be honest. What the
Sorry
fuck
for
just
not
happened there? I
using the
didn't see.
original
Sorry.
audio, but it will
I should
probably
have
end
paid
up blocking
attention.
this video. So I will just leave the link in description for the video with original audio.
No, I can't do this. No, I can't do. I'm sorry. I just can't. It's not. I want wholesome, and this guy is just. She actually hit my car, and it's my fault. I shouldn't have parked. This is just stupid, man. Learn to drive, people. Go do your license again. I don't care, but that wasn't wholesome. That person said, "How do you crash into a car that's parked over there, bro? It's lots of space." Unless I missed something. What was that? Wait. Guy just has poor reflex tape on dangerous carry.
I got you. That's what I'm here for, big dog. I'm here to let you breathe, baby. I'm here to let you breathe. Oh, fuck, I'm good. I'm here to let you breathe. Oh, fuck.
I don't get it. Are they like on opposing sides or like? Is it like BLM versus MAGA? No, it's not. It's clearly not. What is wholesome just because a black guy and a white guy's hugging? Like, what the fuck's going on? What the fuck am I watching? Seriously.
What
You see
an
this guy?
awesome dad we have here.
I'm gonna report you. Shush, bro. I'm done with you. I'm actually gonna report you for repulsive content. Is the one. Actually, no, we can't do that. Right. So yesterday, I tried reacting to this wholesome video, and I gave up halfway because it was stressing me out. But I watched it back, and annoyingly, it was actually funny. So now I feel morally obligated to finish this disaster. I'm not looking forward to it, but continue from the turtles because we gotta save the turtles. I'm gonna be nice and oh shit. Wait, hold on. I'm gonna be nice and give this guy a little thumbs up because you know what? It did make my day when I watched it back. I found it really funny. I don't even have my earbuds connected. Okay, hopefully this doesn't mess up my video. I just connected my earbuds midway. All right, back to the turtles.
What an
Oh, I actually
awesome
like
dad we
turtles,
have
man.
here.
They're cool.
One more. No, one more. Come on, baby. Hold on. No,
There's a duckling stuck in that damn well. How did it get there?
One more. Go through. One, two. Make sure they've got the tractor head.
Oh, he's out. All right. Okay, that. See, that was wholesome. That wasn't just two guys on a motorbike, like bringing the car back to this guy's house somehow instead of I don't know somehow hiring a tow truck or something. I don't even know if they brought it to his house. I just saw something unexplainable. Maybe it was logical and I'm not realizing it.
Pigville. I see you slowly. Listen, Pigville.
This guy
What?
also posted
Slowly. Listen.
A toad that lives in wire wheels in my backyard.
This guy
I have
also
no
posted a
idea.
backstory about this one. I will leave it in the description too.
Brother, please, just don't speak when you do this, man. Quick word of advice. It genuinely ruins the whole flow of the video, I'll be honest. Let me get rid of the captions. That's what I wanted to do.
It's okay.
How do you know it's overheated? Quick question. When was this? Is this during the current heat
Those
wave?
hops at the
5
end
years
of the
ago. Never
videos
mind.
are so worthwhile.
I know. I'm gonna help you. All right.
You're okay. Easy, 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 easy. Easy, 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 easy.
Surely you can just pull it out. You
Whoa,
could
whoa,
just
whoa, whoa.
pull it back,
Easy,
like
easy,
the whole
easy,
feet.
easy, easy, easy.
No? Okay. Maybe he was scared he'll get kicked in the face. It's not quite a kangaroo, but it looks like one. So he probably, I don't
Damn,
know.
you need guts to do something like this.
See, in my head, a tribesman is not driving a damn Toyota or whatever that is. In my head, I thought like he was just gonna push it by hand. I mean, push it by hand, arms, whatever, legs.
Every time you hold me, take me higher.
Hey, W, whoever's watering the squirrel. If that makes sense. W humanity. You know, the second half is more wholesome than the first half by far. I
Okay,
like the
this
background.
one's
You see,
funny yet adorable.
you should have kept that. I need to take my medication. 1 second, guys.
This is a reminder. Take sleep medication.
Okay, whatever. Quick water break. Let's go. That's crazy. See, that kid saved his friend from a nuclear explosion. That was way too dangerous. Don't do that at home. Right, I've got to put a disclaimer. Yeah. I'm gonna
The
be
way
honest,
he
yeah. I feel like the most wholesome thing would be to treat. It's not actually like I don't know. A part of me feels like it's really nice to see. But at the same time, it can also be interpreted as performance. Okay, I'm gonna get slapped up for this, but what I'm trying to say is often, especially when they're older, Down syndrome people, people who suffer from disabilities, they really prefer if you just treat them like a human being, not as a kid, and things like that. You know, so just treating them equally is probably more humanizing than kind of outing them out as something special to take care of. Pun intended.
pets the dog after
Don't
is
cancel
what
me.
gets me.
Hey, where's the hand going, bro? Hey, yo. That's too funny. Dog's looking like he's just been violated, bruv. Like, look at him. He's not looking happy after that. I'll be honest.
Swear we never say goodbye. Fall asleep to lullabies with something that I thought I'd never find. And what
This is wholesome, man. I like. A lot of people dehumanize third world
That
countries,
was
but
really
there's some really
dangerous,
wholesome
and I'm
people there,
glad he
bro. I think
successfully saved the stingray without harming either of them.
Bird does not fear for his life. It's going. Nah, bro, he's gone.
He's gone.
Loki, it would be so cool if there's some way of like having a camera that follows it to God knows where to that it's going. Like a little underwater drone. It's been a pleasure to be your mail cam retiring. Aww. But you're getting last human being bros video. Last human being bros video. Oh, you mean the one recently? I thought you said this was the last one. I kind of got sad after kind of making fun of the poor guy. I do enjoy his videos. You're good, bro. Why is the like button disappearing? That's liked, right? Yeah, it says unlike. So if I click it, it unlikes. Guy putting reflective tape on the curb. It's sad that his local government can't get a sign. To be fair, that means there's a lot of accidents, isn't it? That's something I didn't realize before. I hope that the guy who saved the day using his jacket was able to get back, especially if all his belongings were in his pocket. So, anyways, thank you for. Oh, wait, let me make it full screen. Thank you for watching, guys. I appreciate you coming through. Second half, I feel a little bit more tired doing it than actually the first half. I was really tired. I don't even know how I. Like, to be fair, I don't know why. I just left halfway and I ended up recording like another whole video in between. I reacted to Gideon, by the way, Gideon. So stay tuned for that. It was an interesting video to say the least. Thank you for watching and have a great day, guys.